Within 48 hours, word of the revival had spread faster than a viral foot-washing video. Affiliated churches across 3 counties began reporting outbreaks of spontaneous praise, divine sneezing, and unusual altar fragrances. One church in Possum Hollow even claimed a gold dust manifestation that turned out to be pollen, but nobody cared. A prophet from Tulsa flew in, declaring the scent was the fragrance of the bride, though others suggested it was closer to post-marathon socks. Revivalists began marketing Susan's scented soaks, a blend of dirt, dill, and divine musk, claiming it could provoke holy hysteria in under 30 seconds. Meanwhile, Sister Susan, ever humble, stated, "I was just trying to fertilize my cucumbers. I didn't mean to fertilize the region."